people don't even know what real confidence looks like. They think it means being loud, demanding attention. But that's not confidence. That's desperation. Think about the strongest men in history. They could walk into a room, and people would notice them, without them saying a word. They didn't try to prove anything. They didn't fight for attention. But their presence alone made people respect them. Have you ever felt that kind of energy from someone? That's because true confidence isn't just something you feel. It's something you see. Today I'm going to share 7 hidden rules that powerful people follow to command respect the moment they walk into a room. But be warned, when you master these, people will react differently to you. Some will respect you, some will fear you, and some will try to bring you down. Because the stronger you become, the more enemies you make. So make sure you watch until the end. If you miss even one of these rules, you might unknowingly make yourself look weak. Let's begin. Rule number 1. The poker face confidence isn't about what people see. It's about what you don't show. If people can read your emotions easily, they can control you. That's why the most powerful people in history always had one thing in common: an unreadable poker face. Think of a professional poker player. Even if he has the worst cards in the game, his face stays calm, because the moment he shows emotion, he loses. Life works the same way. The moment you react emotionally, you give away your power. This is how you control social situations. If someone insults you, don't react immediately. If someone challenges you, don't rush to defend yourself. Instead, pause, hold eye contact, stay calm. They won't expect that. Now, the pressure is on them. They're the ones scrambling to explain themselves. And just like that, you flip the power dynamic. But this only works if you master the next rule. Rule number 2. Hold eye contact the right way. Eye contact is the fastest way to change how people see you. But most people do it wrong. Some avoid eye contact completely, which makes them look weak. Some stare too much, which makes them look aggressive. Here's the trick. Don't force eye contact, delay it. When someone is talking, don't look at them right away. Look away for a second. Then, when they finish talking, lock eyes. Why? Because it makes them feel like they had to earn your attention. It creates a silent tension that makes them respect you. Want to take it even further? Narrow your eyes slightly, like you're analyzing them. Subconsciously, they'll feel like you can see through them. That is the ultimate power move. But this doesn't just apply to eye contact. It applies to everything you do. Rule number 3, the slow motion effect. The most dangerous people in the world have something in common. They never rush. The way they walk, the way they talk, the way they react. Everything they do is slow and controlled. Why? Because when you move slowly, it signals confidence. It tells the world, I am exactly where I need to be. Try this. Next time you enter a room, slow down by 10%. Next time you speak, wait 1 extra second before responding. You will instantly seem calmer, more in control, and more confident than anyone else in the room. But this also helps you control others. You just need to use the next technique. Rule number 4, the dark mirror. Most people think confidence is about dominating a conversation. That's wrong. True confidence is about control. And the best way to control a conversation is through mirroring, but only at 70% intensity. Here's how it works. If they speak fast, you speak a little slower. If they use big hand gestures, you use smaller, more controlled movements. If they lean forward, you lean back slightly. Why? Because people naturally respect those who match their energy, but seem just a little more in control. When you do this, they will start following your lead without realizing it. But be careful. This won't work if you're trying too hard. Rule number 5, the no effort rule. Most people try too hard to prove their confidence. But here's the secret. The ones who don't care about looking confident are the ones who actually have it. Think about high status people. They never overreact. They never laugh too hard. They never try to impress anyone. Confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin. So, here's your new rule. Stop over-explaining. Stop over-laughing. Stop overreacting. Let things come to you. You will instantly appear 10 times more powerful without saying a word. And that's the secret behind the most important rule of all. Rule number 6. Make people chase your approval. Certain people are magnetic, but it's not because of how they look or sound. It's because they don't seek approval. They make others seek theirs. Here's how you do it. Instead of giving compliments easily, use cue. How you do it. Instead of giving compliments easily, use qualified approval. For example, instead of saying, "That's a cool jacket," say, "Most people don't have that kind of style, but you do." See the difference? The first one is basic. The second one is rare. Now, they feel like they have to work harder to earn more of your approval. And once you do this, they start chasing you. But to make this even more powerful, you must speak the right way. Rule number 7, the command voice. There's something powerful about how confident people speak, but it's not about what they say, it's about how they say it. Most people talk too fast, speak before they think, fill their sentences with and nervous laughter. They sound uncertain, but powerful people all do the same thing. They speak 10% slower than everyone else. They pause after important sentences. They lower their voice when making a point. This is called the command voice. It forces people to listen. When you slow down, people believe your words have weight. When you pause, people anticipate what you'll say next. And just like that, you control the room. Most people will never understand these rules. They will keep trying too hard. They will keep breaking under pressure because they would rather pretend to be confident than actually become powerful. But now, you know the truth. So, let me know in the comments. Are you still pretending? Or are you ready to become the real deal? If you're serious about taking control of your mind, subscribe, leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.